Folks, Polly Detmerd's here. Detmerd's. And today we're going to do some pork ribs. Oh. And I'm really looking forward to doing this. So let's get started. But before we do that, I'll explain why I'm doing it in the house. It's kind of windy, kind of cold. I feel like wearing shorts. It's Sunday. I want to relax, watch some TV kind of stuff, you know what I'm saying? So let's do the oven method. Got the oven already heated up. I got the convection type, and we're gonna get these ribs ready. We'll get them in there. So you're looking at these ribs. They are, look at the package here, pork loin back ribs, and what I was really looking for is the weight. The weight is 2.92 pounds. The rub is a hodgepodge of all the rubs I've made for steak, chicken, a little bit of a slap your mama, and some maple bacon flavoring that I had, or have. Excuse me while I wash my hands a little bit, not to splash on the pork. But we're going to throw this in the oven for a little bit till I get some nice color. I'll turn it over, exposing the back. The back I did remove the membrane. Had a hard time because, stupid me, remove the membrane when it's cold. It's easy to remove. Don't let it warm up and then remove it, because you're going to have a hell of a time doing that. So let's get this in the oven. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna do this by a time or anything like that. I'm gonna do it by the eye, by the color of the meat, and if I like it or not. So the ribs are in there cooking away. Everything's going great. But I really want to do these ribs outside, but the weather is so unpredictable. It's been sunny most of the day, but it's kind of cold. It's been windy, so you know, audio wouldn't be that great if I did that. And hey, Paulie, but you grilled outside in the wintertime. Okay, you're right. But today, I just felt like staying in the house, watch a little TV, whatever, relax, and look on the internet. And I'm cooking some ribs, same time. I love my Samsung oven, okay? So, Samsung. Alright, I'm waiting for these ribs to get the nice color. We'll look at that color when it happens, and okay, that's it. We'll wait for the ribs.
He didn't like that, so he goes, oh, let me tape it down. Yeah,
Alright folks, I just pulled these ribs out of the oven. I was in a live group chat on YouTube with Polar Bear Ed and Lucky 7, Nate, but yeah, I get this stuff wrapped up, put it back in the oven. So I'm going to bring them beautiful ribs over there, and we're going to wrap them. I do not believe. And, oh, it's a beautiful day. It's Sunday. Oh boy, I love Sundays. Look at that. Let's take this off. And we can put this back on the sheet pan. Oh crap. Now, I'm going to wrap it up like this. But I got a little something I'm going to do here. Alright. This pan. Ooh, that's hot. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to pour me a little bit of something in there. I've got some beef stock. I got chicken stock. Yeah, let's do a little bit of beef stock, or beef broth, and chicken broth. when you mix chicken and beef base or broth or anything stock, you're going to create a pork flavor. Beef and chicken, I'm telling you, as old as trick in the Navy. Not too much, just enough to let this thing steam up a little bit while it's in the oven, okay? Sorry you didn't get the full effect of that stuff, but I wasn't pouring it hard. It was a real slow pour. You know, maybe half a cup altogether in there. So, yeah. Let's put this back in the oven. I got it at 225 now. I think I'm going to bring it up to about 250. Oh, already set. Wow. Waiting for ribs and I get a little bit of hail. About a year ago, a tornado for a part of Port Orchard, Washington. With this kind of weather, I think. All right, folks, I got totally distracted. I had cousins call me. My aunt died, so one of my favorite aunts in the whole world. Probably the best aunt. Look at that oven. Oh boy. And we're gonna do a simple check. I'm not using a thermometer or nothing of that matter. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Steamy little girl. Look at that. Let's get a little check. Oh man, it just goes in like butter. Family still talking to me on the phone. I'm not there. Look at that. Wee doggy. Let's get this on the cutting board. It's a Kansas City style barbecue sauce. It's a sauce. So let's just dump it on there. Actually, let's get the bottom side first. Ooh, it's falling apart. We'll just smear it on there a little bit. Get all nasty with the fingers. And then tip it over. Yeah, my cousins are on the phone talking to me. Kind of lost track of time. But it's okay. This is going to be good. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing. So let's cut it up a little bit. Ooh, it's tender. Look at that. Fall off the bone ribs. Let's cut these ribs. Cut them upside down. I'm just going to use a regular old chef's knife. I did not trim this at all, so it's not really the most prettiest cuts. Alright. So, yeah. I'm going to turn these over now. Kind of like put them back the best I can in the position with the meat side up. There's a grandfather clock. But Look at that. Would you look at that? So let's get a taste of this, and I can't wait. I'm going to take the middle piece here, and let's get a little bite on this. Hodgepodge rub, and some of this Rub with Love Kansas City style barbecue sauce. Let's try it out. Yeah, now I need to hunker over the plate because I'm going to be slopping all over the place, but amazing. Too bad I didn't make no potato salad. It's got some it's got some it's got some sweetness, it's got some heat, and a whole lot of flavor in between. Tender, very juicy, with that beef broth, chicken broth thrown in there. Some people throw water in there. I will never do that. But it's very good. I'm Paulie Detmers. I'm hungry. I'm going to eat. And until next time, see you later. Folks, this is what you want. You're looking at a clean bone. That's what you want when you eat ribs. You don't want you never want residual meat stuck on the bone.